recipe from our website. There you can also scale the recipe to the number of servings, or how hot you like it. The link to this recipe's web page is in the description below. For your convenience, captions are also available in other languages. Depending on the device, click on the gear icon, or other menu to change the captions. This recipe is for 3 servings. If you have scaled the recipe, then please follow those quantities. Take 500 grams of boneless chick cut in small cubes. Marinate with a 1/4 cup of lemon juice and half a teaspoon of salt. Let marinate for at least half an hour. After half an hour of marination, add a 1/4 cup of yogurt. Add 1 teaspoon of green chili paste. Add half a teaspoon of red chili powder. Add half a teaspoon of Indian spice mix. Add half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. Add 1 teaspoon each of ginger and garlic paste. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds powder. Add 2 teaspoon coriander powder. Mix well to make a smooth, even paste, and to coat all the chicken pieces. Cover with cling film and marinate for an hour, preferably in a refrigerator. Place the chicken pieces on the grill. You can also use skewers if you like. Cook evenly, turning over time and again. Lightly paint over with cooking oil. Once evenly cooked, remove from the grill.